channel. So today I am ventilating a 5x7 Swiss lace using an attachment cut into 7. When I was done ventilating, the next thing I did was to wear my mannequin, the wig cap. Then I have to place the ventilated hair onto the wig cap. Then I have to sew it just like you see me do now. So when I was done sewing in the ventilated hair onto the wig cap, the next thing I did was to cut off the excess rope. Then the next stage was for me to use my attachment. I'm using a purple color expression. Then this is me cutting it into two, after which I have to draw out the fish, the fish now. Then guys, when I was done, the next stage was for me to crochet my hair, there's the attachment, onto the wig. Then I have to add another attachment and start braiding just like the way you do it on a normal human head. So this is me braiding the attachment. So when I was done, I have to create a line so that I'll follow the pattern to crochet my attachment so that the hair will not look too full, because I really want the hair to look as natural as possible. So guys, this is me crocheting the attachment. So when I was done crocheting it like this, then I have to fix in my attachment and start my braiding. And guys, yeah, the braiding is very easy and swift. It didn't even take me up to like 2 hours to finish this back of the braid, and the braiding is going so smooth. And I am doing a loose braid. Like, I love loose braid a lot. It looks so natural and so beautiful. So this is the final braid that I'm doing. Like, I'm doing the one at the back. Then when I was done with this part, then the next stage was for me to remove the net. Then I have to cut off the excess net to reveal the hair so that it will look natural. So at this point, I have to locate the center of the hair. Then I have to create my pattern. When I was done creating my pattern, the next stage was for me to start my Ghana braid. This stage no easy, but I'm loving it a lot, because I have to do a tight braid, like a tight Ghana braid on the front side. Then at the tip of the hair, I have to loosen it a bit. Like, I have to make a loose braid looking so beautiful and natural. So guys, keep watching. So guys, when I was done with the Ghana braid, the next stage was for me to ventilate my baby hair using a natural human hair that I have, a little quantity of human hair that I have. So when I was done at this stage, the next thing was for me to add a detergent into a boiled water. Then I have to soak the hair into the water. Then at this point, I have to cut off the excess lace and the excess hair. And guys, voila, this is the final look, and I hope I really tried. If you know that I really tried, I want you to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow us for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is so beautiful and it's looking so natural, and I love it so much. So guys, this is basically how I spent very low amount of money to make me a Christmas hair, and it came out so nice. I love you guys. Have a lovely day. Mwah.